Welcome to the Three.js crash course for everything 3D, from interactive web applications to games. My name is Farhan Hussain and I will be leading you through this course. I have experience creating over 800 programming video tutorials and running an online education platform. So to put it simply, I have a wealth of experience educating over the internet. I created this course for anyone wanting to quickly learn how to create interactive 3D experiences over the internet. By the end of this series, you will know how to create basic geometry such as this rotating cube, interactive experience. I'm actually interacting with this simple 3D world, even loading in complex 3D models such as this one to help engage the user and create a lifelike world, anaglyphic 3D to bring more depth to your world, and even skyboxes to create a realistic 3D-like experience. The ideal student for this course is an existing front-end web developer with a basic grasp of JavaScript. But if you do not have these skills, don't worry, because we have provided all the necessary videos for learning available free of charge via our education website sonarlearning.co.uk. Feel free to take a look through the course description, ask any questions you have before enrolling, and I look forward to seeing you inside.